this video series of C programming for beginners. So in this video series, I'm going to be teaching you all you have to know about C programming starting from scratch. In my previous video, I made about everything you need to know to start programming in C. If you have not watched that video, click on the link and watch it, then come back to this video. Let's get started. So today, I'll be starting with variables in C. What are variables in C? So if you are new to programming, don't worry, I'm going to start this from scratch, explain to you everything you need to know about variables and how it is being used, the syntax and every other thing. So variable in C is basically used to store data in memories. So a variable is like, just think about variable like a container that can hold different types of data such as numbers, characters, and strings. So in layman's understanding, let's say a variable is a container, just a container. For example, you can have a container that contains water, contains solids, sometimes like rice, beans, or salt. So these are just containers that contains a particular set of data. So in C, the same way, C have different types of data such as numbers, which is integers, floats, can have characters and strings. So we will go more about data types in C programming language in the next video. So variable contains data type of the variable, then the name of the variable, which is the variable name, and the assignment operator, which is equal to sign, is assignment operator. So, and the value of the variable we want to assign to the variable. So let's put this. Okay, this is just a simple hello world C function. So if you are new to C programming, okay, let me just explain this. This is the main function. This is where your program starts running. So if I run this program now, you see just printing hello world. So then how do you declare variable? You declare variable by saying, see this syntax over here, the variable name type, data type. Let me make this. Contains the data type, then the variable name, then the assignment operator, then the value of the variable you want to assign to the variable. So the data type can be, let's say, int for numbers. Int is used to store numbers. The name of the variable, let me say numbers. Then the assignment operator equal to sign. Then the value of the variable. What do I want to assign to this particular variable? What do I want it to store for me? I want it to store for me, let me say 33. So this is how you declare a variable in C. The data type, which is int, can be character, and we'll go more about data types in my next tutorial. The name of the variable, which is the number over here. Then the assignment operator, every variable. Then the value you want to assign to the variable. So you can also say character. You can also declare a character. Let me say cat. And what do I want to assign to this variable? Cat should be an array of characters. So I can assign, let me say, Diggy. Name of my cat is Didi. So Didi is the name of the cat, my cat. So this cat now is holding this, storing this Didi in a memory space. So the variable now is now used to hold to store this name Didi, and here number is used to store this 23. So in a memory. So yeah, let's see. Let's give example where we'll be needing to use variables. Let's say let me put printf here. A situation where say um, hello, my name is Benjamin. Say my name is Benjamin. I have a cat. So for example, I have something like this. Let me duplicate this. So I want to change my name over here to be something else. You can see my my name is Benjamin. I want to put another thing. So how do I do it? I can just this line which is string and put okay here. So I want to declare a variable called name to an array of character, and I want to assign my name to it. I call it Benjamin. And here the name of my cat. The name is let me assign the name of my cat here. You can see the name of my cat, cat. And here the age. Okay, let me change. I want to change this to age. So instead of saying 27 over here, I want to put um, digits, and then I want to put age over here. So if I run this program and see, okay, so if I run this program now, you can see, hello, my name is Benjamin. You can see it now. Substitute this Benjamin and put it into this place, to this space here. And I have a cat. The name is Didi. You can see the name of my cat, which is what I pass in here. And I am 23 years old. And you can see it here. So the importance of having a variable is that in a scenario where you have multiple line of code where you need to pass in a particular information to the lines of the code in that code. So what you have to do, for example, now I want to change my name to another thing. Let me say Daniel. I want to change my name to Daniel. So I don't have to go to the all place, all all the lines of code that I have my name and be changing it individually one by one to take a lot of time. So what I have to do is just come to the variable name, the variable I have declared as my name, and change it from there, and it will automatically um, store the value I gave to that variable name. So I can now say if I call my name, I change my name to Daniel here, and I run the program again. You can see here, hello, my name is Daniel. So I don't have to go to be changing it in everywhere. For example, now let me just duplicate this. If I duplicate this and put it again here, I'll have something like this multiple times. So if I want to change, for example, if I do not have this variable by, let me say I put my name, I just hard coded it over here, say Benjamin, and I wish to change. If I run it now, okay, you can see. So if, for example, I wish to change this name to another thing now. If I want to change this name to another thing, so that means I have to go all the way, all the places I have names to change it to Benjamin, to change it to Benjamin. So, but if I have variables that I stored as a name here, I can easily come to that variable and change it to Benjamin. And when I run the code again, and if I run the code again, you see that all everywhere I have my name changes to Benjamin automatically. So that's the importance of having a variable, and that is how you can declare a variable and make use of it. You have different types of data you can use in declaring your variable, which we'll be discussing in my next tutorial. So yeah, all you can also declare a variable without assigning a value to it and later initialize it. For example, I have um, this integer, let me say each, let me say 10. I can declare a variable like this without assigning a value to it immediately. But later I can come here and assign a value to it. I can say 10 is equals to this. You understand now? So yeah, I can so if I want to use it anywhere in my code, I can just say 10 over here, and if I run the code, you will see it. See, I am 10 years old. You can see it, I am 10 years old. So that's it. You can declare a variable without immediately assigning a value to it, but later you need to assign a value to it in your program. And also, I can change the value of my variable anywhere I want in my code. For example, this age over here, this age is 23, and I can come here and say that age, change my age equal to like 50 years. And if I run the code, you will see that when it's from here, you can see we have 1023, and from here you have 50 years old, 50 years old. So that's all we'll be talking about variable in this tutorial. Next tutorial, we'll be talking about data type in C. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the like button and drop your comment. Thank you. See you in the next video.